Good morning, Trader Oracle first. Howdy. Hey there, how you doing? Wow, what a beautiful morning again. Beautiful, beautiful morning. Let's see what's happening. Doing some damage control. Actually, I want to thank everyone for supporting after yesterday's carnage. You know, not every account is lost. I still have the My Funded Futures account basically in its full shape and health. So the My Funded Futures account did survive, and that's a good thing. Oh, okay. Ivan, hey there. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see how things are looking. So, yeah, was it yesterday? Interesting. The website did not update. Oh yeah, interesting. Interesting. No, that's not it. I have no information what the hell is going on here. No. All right, sorry guys, I'm just updating some stuff here. All right. Anyway. Let's see what's going on. Welcome everyone. Good morning, Serdar. Good morning, Joey. You seen the video? No, my condolences. Let's just move on. You know, the good thing is that the My Funded Futures account is actually survived and it's in a great shape. So I have nothing to worry about. I can continue trading with that. And I'm going to buy some new accounts, of course, most likely for next week. It's Thursday. Well, maybe tomorrow. No. You know what? Maybe for New York session, but not for London. So we have some very good sales going on anyways. So go check out those links. What I'm going to do, because I don't want to waste another month building those accounts up, I need to invest a little bit of money for a few accounts to YOLO at least 2 or 3 accounts. Try to get it above at least 2,000 in profit or a little bit more, even to fund it. I want to have at least 3 accounts getting ready to be funded, because in this month I really wanted to get close to the funded level. So the My Funded Futures account is actually perfectly good for that. So no issues going on. All right. What is happening, everyone? What are the news? I must say, I'm super happy for you guys, and thank you so much for all the support and all the comments. I had no reason to have a stop loss at that point because, you know, the thing that happened, I have multiple tabs open, and maybe I did not state that clearly in the video. On my left screen, I have multiple tabs open, multiple trade tabs, and you know, it's on the chart tab, and it's very easy in Quantower, especially if you have multiple tabs open, to mix them up. And so I did my calculations on my right monitor that I should go in with 5 micros, you know, and I just looked to the left and I clicked on 5 and hit the buy button. And that's how easy it is to go in with 5 minis before you're checking on which chart you're on. So I wasn't on the MNQ chart, I was on the NQ chart again. And this is the third time this happened, but this time I wasn't lucky, and I immediately got down to like 600 drawdown per each account. So that's huge for a 50K account. That is too much. And from that moment on, you know, emotionally, you just got triggered, and it's just hard to fight it. Everything went downhill. As I said yesterday, everything went downhill from there. Gold analysis roles is asking, I'm not really trading gold, but we can check it. You know, why not? Quickly gold. I'm not sure about gold, man. But look at this. Yesterday's low, previous day low right there. Previous day high. We are almost, well, a little bit below the midnight open. It's not accurate. Daily midnight opening range is right there. So yeah, gold. It's in a discount area, so I would be looking for a long maybe. But I like to wait for a displacement higher. That's all I can tell. If I see the 1 hour chart, it's still looking bullish. I think it can still make some new all-time highs. I think everybody wants to go short, yet I think this is a bullish pattern as I see it on the 4 hour. I'm not trading gold yet, maybe in the future, but I would be searching for long. Stake out this high and this high. Look at it, just opened up at midnight. It's like all the way down. I would like to see gold revisit the midnight level. That's all I can see on gold right now. So let's check Nasdaq. What's happening? This is actually a bearish breaker, just telling you guys, on the 3-minute chart. Bearish breaker. Overall, what's happening? Yeah, of course, Serdar, everybody gets into this situation once in a while, and we will get there, you know, we will get there. The My Funded Futures account, as I said in the video, it has been untouched, and because it's a starter account that I have with My Funded Futures, and it has a scaling plan, so I cannot put more than 2 mini contracts, and the trade copier wasn't able to put the 5 mini contracts on My Funded Futures, so I immediately turned off the copier after that, and so My Funded Futures survived this craziness. I didn't touch it, so I was lucky, actually. But yeah, so anyway, let's see what's going on. Overall, on the Nasdaq, I want to see some bullish movement. Yesterday, you know, yesterday was tricky. This was the move that actually, this range, look at this. This was yesterday that actually killed my accounts. I was the one that killed, not the market, but this range was actually the destroyer, this here. And this was like extreme chop, and what happened is I was actually in a long position somewhere here, somewhere here, I think. And then the stream ended after the kill zone, and I saw that somewhere here, I think. No. Yeah, so I wanted to scalp with micros. It dropped down here, And somewhere down here, I thought that, okay, I'm gonna try to scalp it back into the range. No, what the hell happened? Anyway, I entered two buys and it immediately went against me, like 7 points or 8. I closed it and then and it went back up again. So I chopped myself up. Total crazy. Total crazy. But the thing is, we having a bearish order block up there. What about gold? Can you sell now? I can check gold for you. I would not touch gold, that's for sure. There's no entry here. I would not sell it at this point. Really. We have relative equal lows on gold here. So that's a good target. This one is a good sell side liquidity right there at 2161. But if you want to sell, keep in mind that if you're selling it now, it can also just do this, like go up there. It can do that. And I have no entry here. There's a fair value gap, of course, right there, okay, on gold. Again, I'm not trading gold. I don't really care about gold, but what is this? But there's your fair value gap right there. If it gets back into that area, you can take a short, but use a high stop loss. Look at this swing high here. This one is magnetic on gold. This one here. So be careful. If it goes back into that, it can easily go up there and take it out. So I would not touch gold, not for any penny. Not for any money, any dollar. I don't care about if it drops. This is not an entry for me. So that's it. Let's look at ES. No problem. No problem there. ES has relative equal highs, and I'm gonna tell you why. Is today PPI and jobless claims. We first need to move before we know what they want. No trades. Yeah. The only trading, yeah, for now, 90% Nasdaq, Ivan, 90% Nasdaq, but I'm looking to expand this to, well, maybe gold. So that's why I said I might be trading maybe gold. Unfortunately, I cannot trade DEX futures with the prop firms, only Apex. So I want to copy trade these positions across multiple prop firm accounts, and I cannot trade DEX, only at Apex if you subscribe to the data. So what I'm looking for is maybe gold futures. Yes, I'm looking into gold futures, but it still needs a lot of more back testing. So right now 90% Nasdaq, and sometimes I put a trade on ES. I did it with Russell recently, but 90% Nasdaq. And actually, I don't really want to focus more than one market at a time. One market is perfectly enough. So we have a bearish order block here on the 1 hour again. Look at this. It's let me show you. This here is another bearish order block right there. Okay. Template. Save as. I'm going to save it as a bearish order block. Okay, not even there. To the right. Bearish order block. Okay, bearish order block. This is a 1 hour. I forgot to. 1 hour. So we have bearish order blocks up here. 1, 2. And order blocks are typically magnets. We have consequent encroachment for the 1 hour fair value gap at 532. I'm still bullish on this for now. So I'm gonna wait a little bit. Okay. This one is still going down. I mean, Nasdaq went down. We actually had a 3-minute bearish breaker here. 3-minute bearish breaker. You can see it right there. I don't really trade the 3-minute charts, so that's why I didn't enter. But it was a breaker. Question is, if that's a breaker, where does it want to go? You know, the Asia highs were swept. Now it can go for the Asia lows, which can be actually, well, could be all the way down there. So it can go, but 3-minute is not something I like. There's a volume imbalance here. Might reprice it a little bit higher. And what else? Well, yeah, that's it. It might reprice it. I'm gonna stay bullish for now, but yeah. So now it's repricing that volume imbalance. Everybody should be on the June contract by now, so just keep that in mind. FX Entropy, good morning. No volume and no direction. Yeah, that's why I'm not in a trade. This one can drop, but what about the news? No news. We're gonna have some US news later on. 79. Look at this. We're basically hovering in a 10 pip range here. 86. Yeah, this is like on average on a 10 pip range. It's like nothing. It's basically nothing. You got filled at 380 and 90. Nice. So you're in shorts, I guess. That's cool, man. 380, 390. That's a good area to go short. Again, on the 3-minute there is a bearish breaker, so you guys are welcome to enter. You can go with a 12-point stop loss there if it gets to that level. I have to look at the higher time frame if we have no volume. And so far, and somebody subscribed, Jack Troy. Hey there, thank you for the subscription. Let me give you a proper applause. Thank you for the sub. So yeah, went back into this gap. Now it's dropping down. It's only 5 points drop, but of course it can tank all the way down to sweep Asia lows down to 63 and 54. This one can happen, definitely. Well, again, if we have no or not enough volume, we just have to look for targets. Now, the thing is that I like these order blocks. I'm not trading the order blocks, but I think that price is definitely respecting these order blocks. I mean, respecting them as possible targets. So we have a 15-minute, a 1-hour order block, one more 1-hour order block. This is all, I mean, for me, all this is like a magnet. So these levels to the left are very juicy to me. Here on the 1 hour, and also higher if you look to the left on the 1-hour chart. These are very, also this one. So I'd like to see price actually take out these. Maybe first we were gonna go down, sweep the Asia low. It can happen, but you know, it's just I don't know. By the way, the 80% sale is back. 300. Let's check. 300. It's possible. I think maybe almost relative equal lows down there. I wouldn't say it's not possible. The 300 is a whole number. It has almost relative equal lows down there. Why not? I mean, it's in the cards. And look at these wicks on the 1 hour chart. Look at this. That's down below the 250s. So I can absolutely imagine. That just goes down, sweeps some liquidity down there at the 200s, down even to the 100s, and then maybe go up and take out these order blocks. We don't know, guys, because clearly there is no direction right now. There is absolutely no direction. London is about to open in 37 minutes ish. 38, and we can just pretty much consolidate until then. That's all we can wait. So let's just wait. For this move, the 383, well, if the 3-minute bearish breaker works out, this should go down at least to 63, or maybe even lower, down to 54. Why not? It can do it. It can do it. So yeah, let's see that. So by the way, the Apex just started 80% sale, and 1 day pass. If someone is interested, you know, grab your codes. Yesterday all day moving up and waiting for the dump. Yeah, it's pretty much the situation. Don't forget, guys, today is going to be the giveaway after the New York PM session. My Funded Futures is going to be doing the pick. The winner is going to be announced on Twitter, and worst case scenario on Friday's London stream. So if you haven't signed up already, just check out the video. There's a form in the video description. You have to fill it out, create a free account with My Funded Futures, and you're in the giveaway. Hey there. Asia high taken? Well, pretty much I would say so. Yeah, because this is New York PM session high. Asia highs were swept. We have a nice 3-minute bearish breaker here. This is a bearish breaker if you want to enter. Don't really want to enter because I see very low volume. But this one is a bearish breaker. Small fair value gap, higher high, lower low, displacement, fair value gap. So technically it's valid. Just swept the Asia high. Probabilities are good for this to be sent down to at least to the 63s. But I would guess maybe even down to the 54s. Right? That would be interesting. I'm gonna wait for some more volume coming in, maybe after the London Open. We'll see. Dump from 380, and where are we now? Well, 380. We are at 380. So good morning, Greg. We are at 380. So I would say we can go to 355 if the algorithm or the price decides, or the market decides that it wants to dump. But is it clickbait? Or well, actually it's not a clickbait. I did blow up 4 accounts from my 6 accounts that I share with you guys here. I have more accounts, but the ones that I share with you guys here on YouTube, actually 4 of those accounts, almost 5, 4 of those accounts have been blown up. So the video is not a clickbait. Go back to yesterday's dump. It can happen. Oh yeah, that's down at 290, 280. Yeah, that's if that's what you're referring to. That's around the 280 level. It can go there. But no volume, no confirmation, nothing yet. So just have to wait a little bit. By the way, I must add that 2 accounts survived, but the other account, the BULENOX, is just so down that it's just I'm just unable to trade with it normally. Why you dump them in secret? Bring the action on stream would be more funny. Yeah. And now after the live stream in London, Greg. So I closed the London stream yesterday, and I started to scalp. This was the chop here, by the way. Let me show you. Where was the chop? It was in London. Here. This was the chop. So this was the dead zone for me. This is where I lost the account. So this one actually killed me here. So yeah, it is what it is. After the stream, I did not want you guys to see, and I started trading here, and boom, that's what happened. Yeah, blowing accounts alone is not as funny. Yeah. That is much more fun. Yesterday was breaking for me. I was bullish entire day, but took a short. You took a short? Well, you should be fine. Short in New York yesterday. Depends on when you took that short. But you know. Okay. 2 loss, 1 win. Still okay. 2 loss, 1 win is absolutely okay. So the 3-minute bearish breaker is not working out right now. These order blocks are potential targets to the upside. So no entry on my end right now. I'm looking at the 15-minute. Look at these order blocks. 1 hour order block. These are targets in my opinion. We have a bigger order block here, also target. So we have a lot of targets. So that's why I'm gonna stay bullish. I'm gonna stay bullish, and I'm gonna check out what my special futuristic indicator from the future is telling me. The problem is the volume is very, very, very slow. That's the main problem. I closed it. Oh, there you go. So, I mean, yeah, I get it now. So that's why you should go with the good risk to reward, of course. That's nice. Sorry, but the coffee was still not kicking in. That's why I didn't get it in the first place. I'm gonna stay bullish for now, but again, there's nothing here. I'm gonna see clean movement, especially towards the 450s. I'm gonna see this picking up some phase and start to move. Spain CPI, yeah, maybe. I'm still bullish too. So for now, at least. So we'll see what the market open will bring us. We're just, you know, in a tight range here. We're just in a tight range. So again, until we're waiting, check out the discounts. Apex Trader, 80% down and 50% reset prices and 1-day pass. Check it out. BULENOX still has a 90% sale, but only for the first month. It's not lifetime. BULENOX only gives you the 90% for the first month. So if you are really up to YOLO a few accounts, or if you know what you're doing, you have 30 days to pass the evaluation account with BULENOX, because after that you're going to be charged with the full price. So only for the first month, don't forget that. But still 90%, 50K account is actually only $17.50. So if you want to buy a couple of those, you can go with 7 contracts if you guys know what to do. You can YOLO it. I always say not to do it, but again, after yesterday, I don't know what to say. So you can do what you want. Apex has a good discount, and TOPSTEP, if you register, you get a 20% discount as well. My funded futures, guys, 30% off if you use my code. So lots of stuff going on from the starter account, sorry. 30% off from, activation fee, the evaluation account, and the reset. Everything has a discount if you use my code on my funded futures. That was the commercial. Okay. This one is still looking bullish. This one is still looking bullish. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Little bit retracement. 3-minute actually shifted structure to the upside here, but it still needs 2 minutes to close this. And if it leaves a gap here, this one can be interesting to enter on a long. I'm not entering on a long. I don't really enter on the 3-minute charts. Just don't have. Me and the 3-minute charts, we are not the best pals. So, but maybe I will try to make friendship. Let's see. It's still going down. Small fair value gap at 86. No wick on the candles. Should be continuing higher, I think. We have possible risk reward ratio. I'm just measuring if it wants to go higher. I would be risking around, for example, $70. That would be 3 micros. So I'm looking at it, but nothing special for now. This would be at 86.75. It's going higher. 86.75. What is going on? State error. I don't understand what's happening. I'm gonna have to restart Quant Tower. It's the usual rhythmic connection issue. Just wanted to measure some distance here. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Hey there, Simply Gold whole time. Good morning. Welcome, welcome. And welcome everyone. If you guys could help out the stream by pushing the like button and maybe subscribe if you like the stream, I would really appreciate that. And don't forget to participate in the giveaway. Push those likes. Thank you so much, guys. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, we're still hovering here. Are you guys looking for any particular trade or something? Let me know. I don't know what's going on with this. I have to start chatting with Discord because I might have to I might have to. Okay, let's see if I have connection issues right now or not. Okay, now it's working fine. Small issue there, but it's solved. I'm gonna be putting to 86.75 now. Alright, put a buy limit at 86.75. This time with micros. So don't worry everyone. It's with micros. I'm gonna let you guys know if I get filled. Not yet. I'm not filled in yet, so but I'm gonna let you guys know if I will. Almost got filled on this entry, but I didn't. That's the low of this candle. Yeah, low of this candle is actually okay. I wanted to see price come down into this area, get filled down there, but I didn't. Not yet. I have a limit order. It didn't fill. It missed it with one tick. So I still have my limit order at 86.75, but it didn't fill. So I'm not long yet. Get them accounts. I will get them. And by the way, I forgot to mention maybe in the video, but not every account was blown up. The My Funded Futures account is basically perfectly fine because the trade copier was unable to put the 5 minis on the account because I have a starter account at My Funded Futures and it has a scaling plan, so I cannot put more than 2 minis. So the trade copier wasn't able to fill me in with 5 minis, thank God. And the BULENOX account also had the end of day trading, had the daily loss limit. So actually 2 accounts survived. 2 accounts survived. No, I got filled now in this trade. So my entry is 86.75. Let me check it. Only with micros. Stop loss is 75.50 for now. 75.50. Let me see. Maybe it's a little bit low. But right now I'm at 75.50. And take profit is well, it's a little bit high, but I think it should be okay if it wants to take off, is 409.25. Let me check it. 409. 409.25 is my take profit. Yeah. So again, the my funded futures account is perfectly fine. It's perfectly okay. Only had a small loss yesterday on that one from the first trade in the morning. So that's fine. So I'm in the trade. We're fading each other. Yeah, we're fading each other. I can actually open it up for you guys. Let me open a chart window here. Apex, BULENOX, my funded futures, MNQ. There. So this is my trade here. I'm gonna put it there. So right now, this is my trade. Let me see what you guys are seeing. Okay. Okay. So this is a trade. 3 micros, by the way. I'm only risking 3 micros, but I'm gonna change it to ticks. Sometimes it disturbs me. Data, view, current chart, price, percentage, info, price scale, time scale, price, current chart, default percentage. I don't know how to. Info window, volume bars, visual trading positions, currency, ticks. There you go. So I'm in 22 ticks right now. If it dips under 380, I'll add more short to it. Okay, so this is, at least we're gonna have some fun, you know. We're fading each other with FX and trophies, so let's see. If somebody is interested why I'm doing this, my reasons are actually pretty simple. These are my reasons. 15-minute order block, 1 hour order block, 1 hour order block. Lots of highs to be taken out, lots of fair value gaps up there to be repriced. So this is it. I'm actually, to be honest, I felt like pretty confident that price should go up for this. But if it, if it just turns down at the London Open, it's fine. I will still try to do the same. If it sweeps the Asia lows, then I'll try to look for another long later, maybe, if I see some nice targets. But this one can be the so-called Judas swing, This one can happen any moment, especially after London Open. So this is super risky, super risky. I'm risking about $70, I think. So I'm not all that concerned. Nasdaq God is here, welcome. And by the way, let me give a proper applause for everyone here. Welcome, Nasdaq God. So my entry was pretty much simple, mostly based on the 3-minute, which I don't really like. I'm not super friends with the 3-minute, but I saw a nice little fair value gap here. A little bit of a displacement on the 1-minute. My bias is bullish because of all that order blocks up there. And yeah, that's it. That's all my explanation here. So nothing else. And here is my trade with 3 micros. I'm risking super huge amount of $70. I'm gonna be buying more accounts. I'm gonna buy at least, well, I mean, since there's a sale at BULENOX, I want to get some BULENOX accounts back. So check it out, guys. The codes should be working. 90%, but only for the first month at BULENOX. Only for the first month. I'm pretty sure because, anyway, so only for the first month. Of course, I don't have confirmation. I asked support, but they didn't answer me yet. But I'm like 99% sure that this is only for the first month. So I'm going to YOLO maybe a few just to regain some, at least 1 or 2 BULENOX accounts. For $17, a 50K account is basically free. And 80% discount with Apex, guys. Half price resets and 1-day pass. I might gonna look into that too. I want to get back at least 2 more accounts near to the funded level, and then we'll be back on track. And because I don't want to lose time again, and thank God that the My Funded Futures account really survived, and I like that. I thought London session started at 2 a.m. Well, the London time or many European countries did not switch to the daylight savings just yet. It's gonna happen at the end of March, so it's still the same. Top 5, good morning. Hey there. So it's still the same. It's going to happen. Let me check it for you. Daylight savings 2024. There you have it. 21st of March. That's when it's going to happen. Yeah, in London. So basically in the whole UK. And on the same date is going to happen on all of the European countries, I think. So that means, trading wise, we have to be switching 4 times in a year. You have to switch or update your charts 4 times per year. Brother, not here to come with the same bullshit. So this will be only recommendation, but try to look into visual backtesting MNQ. I will look into that crossover day trades. I will have time on the weekend, and I'm definitely looking to collect some more data. I'm by the way, I'm pretty confident, and I'm saying this to you as well, Nasdaq God, and to everyone. Strategy wise, I'm very, very confident in myself. So I like how I analyze the market. I am very confident in my how I read the markets and how my entries are being put on. Because despite the fact that what happened yesterday was not because I analyzed the market wrong. Actually, if you look at it, and if you remember from live stream, before I closed the stream, I was long. So I was long from here. I even have the marker on. I entered here, and my stop loss, my original stop loss was down there, and my original TP was 122 up there. I got, even Methodical Man and some other guys said that my TP should have been hit. So that was my, I'm pretty confident in my strategy. I'm pretty confident in my edge. So I don't really want to look into anything else. This, what happened yesterday, was all due to emotions, frustration, overtrading. But first of all, by making the stupidest mistake of being stuck on the mini NQ chart. So now I closed everything. Everything is closed. Only left with one micro NQ chart. Rearranged some stuff on my other screens. It started, of course, with a human error by wanted to scalp with micros here in the chop. But the biggest error, and that was really just a mistake, by pushing 5 minis instead of 5 micros. So yeah. But yeah, I understand. Also, perhaps use rules like when over 50 on RSI. I don't care about RSI. With all my respect, I'm not even reading. I'm gonna read. I'm gonna stop here for a minute. I'm gonna read what you wrote there. I don't care about the levels of the RSI. I don't effing care what level is it, right? 50, 60, 75. I don't care. I couldn't care less about the exact level of the RSI or the stochastic. I don't care. I'm not watching it like, oh, this is just 73 and it's not good. I don't care. The stochastic or RSI or whatever you want to name these indicators down, I do not care about the number value. I just want to see the curve, how it's forming, what it's doing. Is it up there? Is it down? That's all I'm looking for the RSI. Is it down there or is it up there? That's it. I don't care about the number. But you know, that's just with all respect. With all due respect. So let's read forward. RSI 50 short. Yeah, perhaps when oversold, overbought, do nothing, or in power trending market. Yeah, or overbought, I don't know. Gonna on pullback. Yeah. So I don't care about that. RSI, yeah. I don't even want to backtest RSI levels because it's a lagging indicator. It's so lagging, even the stochastic, that it's not worth to backtest it, technically. It's just a waste of time to backtest the levels of the RSI or the stochastic. I'm just looking at the curve. Well, is it down? Is it up? That's it. That's what I look. And it's not mandatory for me, the RSI, to be at the certain level. Taking partials, of course, and letting runners run. Yeah, thank you. I mean, hey, Nasdaq, I've got all my respect to you because I know you put a lot of info here for me. So this is huge respect for you. Stick with your guns. Mentioning this has nothing to do. Absolutely. The thing that happened yesterday was a tilt. Yeah, I know. I applaud you, Tom. Very good. Get him, Tom. The higher time frame. I did not say that out of disrespect. I respect anyone who has specific number or rule with the RSI. I just don't care about the numbers at RSI. I don't care. It's a lagging indicator. I don't care what number is it. Where is the line? Is it the line above 50.62? That's bullish. No, that's lagging information. That's the past, you know. The line here is at 52. I'm not interested. I don't care. All these naysayers with stock and RSI. I like the RSI, don't get me wrong, but it's only gives me kind of a feeling like, okay, what can I expect? Is it going to go back a little bit? You know, that's all. But I'm in buy. Yeah, this is the position I'm going to show you right here. This is the position I'm in. Let's see if it goes up. I don't know. We're still ahead of the London Open. So with all respect, I'm not even there yet. I'm just reading the text. So Nasdaq got. I'm saying this with full respect because I know you help a lot here. So you say it's not worth it, but you never know. Coming someone from. I respect that you backtested it. I really do. I'm just 100% comfortable with my analysis. My problem in trading is not my analysis. I was looking over my journals every month, every week. My analysis is good. I can say that with all confidence that I can analyze the markets. I mean, I'm not 100%, not even 80%, but you know, 55 to 60% sure about where the trade goes. Then I'm just jumping in when the model plays out, and that's it. So I'm okay. I'm okay. Hi Tom, are you able to open trades at Apex? All my accounts are frozen, cannot trade at all. Maurice, I'm gonna be honest with you. I have 0 accounts right now at Apex. Zero accounts. 0. I didn't buy yet before the stream. I might buy 2 or 3 for the New York session. It's 80% down, so I think I'm gonna buy. This morning when I just woke up, I just wanted to come in with the My Funded Futures account, which is this one. I'm gonna buy 2 or 3 more. I don't know what's going on. I think it could be a rhythmic issue. I'm not sure if you're using NinjaTrader or Quantower. Just close the close Quantower. It happened to me before. Close it, reopen it, or reconnect, and it should be okay. I think. Which is your period? I don't use stochastic, but if you're asking the RSI, it's just the basic RSI from Lux Algo. This is it, 13 and 10. I don't even care. Tom, would you look at my strategy, please? It's written in the stars. I look at Saturn and Moon in conjunction with naked Morgana in the middle of the night, and I also smell my little finger before. Middle finger. Saturn. And stars. Now this strategy, this is good. I like that. I like that. Stars, Saturn, Moon. Moon, little finger. So first the little finger, right? Step 1, little finger. I have to be clear. First, no. First middle finger. First middle finger. Okay, so let me get this right. And so first middle finger, then look at the stars. I don't know where is Saturn, so I have to look after Saturn, what is happening with Saturn. And the moon, man, I have to buy some stuff this strategy. Okay, Moon, Saturn, middle finger. Okay, I got it. All right, it's gonna be, I need some time over the weekend to look into this strategy, but this is something new. I will. What's happening? Okay. Okay, it never been like this. It's TraderWeight. TraderWeight had some issues before that. I'm just joking, guys. Let me give you a laugh here. Come on. I agree. Volume on TradingView for me is super helpful with my HA confirmation candle, stochastic momentum, index crossover. Oh yeah. Oh, Methodical Man. Methodical Man is here. Where is the applause, guys? We have Michael Huddleston's friend, Methodical Man, spending all the holidays together. That guy, Methodical Man, he's doing it, you know. Celebrity. And you know, I don't want to say really who Methodical Man is. You can check his stream out. Oops, I just said it because he has too many funded accounts, and right now no, check his stream out. Hey Methodical Man, how are you doing? Tom, unfortunately, you will never know the power of entering on an RSI or FAK and SMI crossed over correctly, and what is that? Trusting the odds. I have to take this call because my father is calling. He was in hospital. I have to take this. I'm sorry, everyone, but this was a long phone call. I'm sorry. But fortunately, this trade turned out okay. So let's see, what do we have? This order block on the 15-minute has been mitigated. The next stop is the 1-hour bearish order block, and we'll see how it goes. Oh, thank you for the sub. Jake Samba. I'm just gonna call you Samba. Thank you so much for subscribing, and let me give you a huge applause. Thanks for the sub. I'm sorry, guys, that I was away. Let's see. Could be having a possible short entry if this one shifts, but I'm still bullish, so I think I'm just gonna wait for now. This one should be breaking higher than 440, or at least it should. Bum 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 bum. So, what else do we have? We're gonna have some news later, but nothing for now. 8:30 is the news time, right? So grab your accounts from Apex 1-day pass. Don't miss it out. Anybody's here? I'm sorry, guys. I was on the phone call, so. But at least we got a nice trade. Turned out good, this one. Bum, 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 bum. What else do we have? Okay, are we gonna go higher? I wonder. Because if we go higher, we should be targeting this 1-hour bearish order block. And as far as I can tell, we have every chance to do so. If ES also wants to dig higher, it can go for the 52.57, which is, I think, all-time high. Is it? Yeah, that's all-time high. So the 52.57, 7 handles only, I think is gonna make a new high. Yeah. And by the way, again, don't forget 90% at BULENOX, 80% at Apex with a 1-day pass, and 30% from my funded futures, which is a very good deal. That's a good choice for you guys. Maybe we could be shifting structure to the downside. So I'm gonna be watching that. By the way, let's just collect some data from gold as well. I'm curious. I always wanted to trade gold. I'm not gonna enter a trade on gold right now, but I'm definitely gonna be looking for some info from gold futures charts. So let me just update this one. Actually, remove drawings. I'm gonna put some markups on gold. Any one of you guys are trading gold, or anyone is interested to trade gold, let me know. Or if you guys have experience with gold. Let me check. Okay. Previous day high. Previous day low. Midnight open. Okay. All right. So nothing. Nothing on gold. We should be aiming for new highs, but anyway, let's stick with Nasdaq. So it did shift structure, and this 1 minute candle left a very small fair value gap here to go for some shorts. I wonder if they really want to put this down, because if it starts to dump, it can go to these relative equal lows, which is just above the midnight level at 375. Shifting once more here. If you guys are scalping, you could be looking for the 394-ish area. Let me put it, I think I have a TOPSTEP NQ because I have an evaluation account. NQ. Okay. So I like this one, especially if this one would leave a fair value gap here. For example, here. I would go in for a scalp. Actually, I'm in a scalp right now. I did not wait for it. I want to see the 96 level being taken out for 200. Stop loss would be up there. Well, actually here. This is just a combine account with TOPSTEP, and it's actually down. So let me check the details. Daily stop out level. Okay, yeah, it's fine. So this is why I'm not scalping. But it's not going for that swing. So this account is actually down pretty much. If it goes higher than that, then I'm not even interested. Yeah, I think it's gonna go higher. Or is it? Is it not? I feel like it wants to go higher, right? I'm just gonna close it. This is just me trying to scalp, don't mind me. Looking for that swing low. But honestly, I think I should just kill this trade. Yeah. Yeah, closed it. With one micro is manageable, but it might try to go for that 1 hour order block again. And that's why I'm gonna wait a little bit more. If it shifts higher, then I might try to enter once more at 15 to 28. And then we will see. Yeah, I think it's gonna go to shift up again. I might even go down. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go long here. There. Looking for this to turn out well. I'm also willing to hold this to 55 even. How much would it give to hold until the 50s? Give quite a lot, right? In the fair value gap, right here. So technically I like this place. That would be my stop right there. Repricing this liquidity void here. Maybe I'm gonna check the 1 minute. Yeah. All right. So this is a different account. This is a combine account at TOPSTEP. It's pretty much down. I'm just try to put it back on track, and pretty much looking for this to make some new highs. With one Connie. Absolute no follow through. What does that mean? This is just scalping, and this account is like a play account for me because the follow through. If you're curious about the targets, I can tell you that I'm still bullish and want to break some new highs at 428, and that's it. If that's what you're asking. Ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. So I'm just waiting. Nice scalp. I got the move, no worries. Still bullish. Should go. We should break the 428s, I think. It should be breaking that. If it does, I might put it to break even and let it ride all the way. If it can. What are you guys doing? So again, after yesterday's craziness, the My Funded Futures account is still alive. So this one I can show you. This is still working. I just made the trades with micros. This account, which I'm trading now, is a TOPSTEP combine. It's already almost at the end because this account is pretty much down. But the My Funded Futures account is in good shape. So that's the best account that survived yesterday. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. It is. It is unpredictable, pretty much. Unfortunately, I think it can go lower. But if it does, I'm going to be looking for this swing right there. I think I'm going to just delete this take profit level because this one is just going to take that level out. Yeah, I'm out from the position. So if it goes down furthermore, it can just target the swing at 94, I think. How about that? How about that? Should we go for the 94? I think we should. should be dropping there. I think. Hopefully. Taking out that low right there. Yeah. Low to high. Yeah, that could be possible. Ba-dum bum bum bum. Ba-dum bum 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 bum. If you enter here, but you know, we have this volume imbalance right there, which can also mean that price is coming back into that area and then drops to this down there. That can happen. So I guess we'll see. Five-minute chart, sorry. Five-minute looks interesting for sure. But we just have to wait. Should be coming back to 413, I guess. Take out some levels there. By the way, as the commercial says, check out the discounts. There is a very good deal with Apex, 1 day pass, use the code. It's still active, it's still very good. And, you know, you can grab a very, very good, an account for a very, very good upfront cost. Also, my funded futures, the giveaway is gonna end today, so make sure to subscribe to the giveaway in the video. It's in the pinned message. Check it out. Could be okay. Hate to troll, but that most recent RSI crossover on M1 to downside printed and offered the entry right at the cross near the top from the get-go. But honestly, I hate RSI. It's outdated. You mean this one? Yeah. How about this one? This one crossed down and then went up. This one crossed down and went back up. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crosses down, 6, 7 crosses, and only 1 win. Yeah. That's why I don't trade RSI crossover. But yeah, we can actually put in a stochastic and check that out. But I think I also saved it. No, I did not save it. Back to the midnight open, maybe. Not sure. Not sure. Still have to wait. That's why I got rid of it, Tom. SMI so much more reliable for the crossover. Yeah, let's check it out. Stochastic momentum, right? Sorry. Stochastic momentum index. There is one here. Which one should I put on? Oh no, that's a so minimize. Oh, I didn't want it to. Oh, somebody subscribed. Thank you so much for the subscription. Kiso, hey there. Let me give you a proper applause. Thank you so much for for the sub. New. Nope, that one. So one cross here, one cross here. This one was okay. So 1, 2. The first one at the top, let's say new next to it. Okay. Okay. This one. All right. Let me not deleting it, collapse panel. Okay. So let's see. Just for the fun, let's put in Heiken Ashi. Just for the fun. Okay. So we have a cross here. So that's a short, which was okay. We have a long somewhere here. That's a loss, but it's fine. We have a short here. That's a loss. What is going on? We have a short here. That's a loss. We have a short here. That's a win. We have a long here. That's technically a win. We have a long here. That's Asia session. That doesn't matter. Let's check out some New York session, right? Some New York session, stochastic. And Heiken Ashi. This is actually a win with some drawdown here. I assume this would be the entry up here. This would be also in drawdown with the loss. That would be aftermarket. Close. This would be a win. So yeah. Yeah, because I'm just saying because of the possible stop loss. You know, for example, if I would want to go long here on around 434, 36, I want to go long here. My stop loss would be down there. 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If I would go long here, this would be a loss. That's why I was just saying. So this would be a loss. This would be a loss. This would be a win. If I would like to trade counter trend, of course. But if not counter trend, so we're still up here. This would be a loss. This would be a win. Stop loss here. But this one did not hit the stop loss. That's good for a 2-to-1 even. Let's see the moving averages. This would be a stop. Here, if I would put my stop loss to the swing low. Plus you're not supposed to enter on now. Yeah. You have to respect price action and the candlesticks. Of course. Of course. I know. I'm just, you know, trying to measure some targets. That's all. Sure, I have levels, but they don't need to be hit. Oh yeah, in hindsight, especially on visual, each strategy is good. But mix it with emotions and news and wrong money management, boom. Yeah. You don't get it. It's momentum trading. Oh, yeah. Right. But, you know, I mean, I like this stochastic, by the way. I'm not saying it's bad. Actually, I really think that this is a good momentum indicator, the stochastic. So it's really good. It's really something. I don't want to learn Heiken Ashi, to be honest, Nasdaq. God, there's no way I'm going to learn Heiken Ashi because I don't want to. I think, with no disrespect, I don't see any value in Heiken Ashi candles, honestly. No value. But if somebody is using it, because I heard people making some good progress with it, then Obviously, Heiken Ashi is not made for baloney, because there are some trading strategies related to it, but trading on the Heiken Ashi would require a completely different approach, especially on lower time frames. So I'm definitely not going to. I'm gonna read about it. I'm gonna, look after it, but most likely there's a 99% chance that I'm not going to use it in my trading. without sticking to your proven trade plan and risk management, no edge. That's it. FX Entropy. I mean, Nasdaq God. I have my system. I know that even despite for yesterday's loss, my analysis was okay. This trade was made by my analysis, and it was okay. My entry played out. It was okay. So I'm actually fine with it. So it is what it is, I'm fine. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Perfectly okay. Why don't see why you push so hard this strategy. It's shit, and sooner or later you will see it too. Better why don't you start your stream and then teach us your method? Oh, I know you will fail 100%, but for fun. Just give it one chance. Watching that video Chat Trades posted recently on his channel about HA candles. I actually saved his name because we were talking about that, and I'm gonna actually check it. I'm gonna check that. By the way, guys, please help out the stream by pushing the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out the giveaway. It's up there in the chat pin message. You can subscribe to My Funded Future through a 50K starter account. It's gonna happen today. Next week is gonna be another giveaway, and don't forget the discounts. 30% off at My Funded Futures if you use my code, and I think it's so far one of the best. Apex has an 80% sale. Check that out too. And if you're brand new at TOPSTEP, use my link and you get a 20% discount from your first purchase, which is a very good deal. Go for it. That was the commercial. Yeah, so I actually wrote it down, that Chat Trades. I did write it down. It's here. I did wrote it down, I know. Chat Trades. Yeah, I wrote it down. It's here. Chat Trades. I'm gonna mark it once more. Chat Trades. I just don't feel I just don't feel those Heiken Ashi candles. So momentum is trendy. Momentum is traded in 30-second chart. Trendy is traded in 5 minutes. Black Beauty Machine, hey there. Man, let him trade the way he wants. Hey, I mean, I always listen to new information. I told you guys. But I am not going to trade the Heiken Ashi candles. I can write this in stone for you guys. I am not going to strategy hop. I don't care about Heiken Ashi candles. I really don't care. I'm going to check it because it's always good for seeking new informations. But the thing that I do, not yesterday, but overall, I pulled out money from TOPSTEP, got funded with multiple prop firms, blown a few accounts, yes, but the progress that I made was due to my core analysis and entry model, and I'm perfectly okay. I'm not going to change anything. So, but I'm going to read about it because I said I'm always learning. I always read new stuff. But definitely 100% sure I'm not going to trade Heiken Ashi. Yeah, but I'm going to definitely look, over it, and that could be interesting to look into. Just for some more information. Information is always good. Can you take 20 scalps day trades on NQ and win all the trades with your edge? No. Yeah. We are around 450 day trader in the world. Imagine if one guy stood up and started to teach his strategy in the trading floors. He will be beaten with the sticks. Yeah. Dude, you don't know me. I have anywhere between 50 tickets per day. So yeah. Oh, they are called tickets in the pro world. Oh yeah. Well, all I know is that with all respect, I don't think, with all respect, Nascalp God, I like all the information that you share, but I do not believe that you can make 20 trades and all of them winners with this strategy. I'm definitely streaming. I'm just watching price action. Nothing to do right now, actually. I'm waiting for a new entry. So it doesn't really, it's not bothering me or anything because we're just waiting for new entries here. So nothing to do at this moment. Pretty much just ranging. I'm actually bullish, so I'm waiting for some bullish movement. But honestly, I don't think there is any strategy that can make you 20 winners out of 20 trades. That is very rare. If you can do that, Nascalp God, I think you can be a game changer in the whole trading industry, and that is out of respect, really. And I'm saying that you could be you could revolutionize the trading industry, especially on the retail level, if you have a trading edge like that. Even if you can make 10 trades out of 10 with 100% win ratio, that is like, wow, that is a very, 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 very good one. Yeah, I'm looking for longs too. I'm just not sure which area should I be focusing here, because there was a small displacement here. If you look at it on the 1 minute, right here, which is, well, it's very small, very, very tiny fair value gap. Shifted structure, also one here, but no shift. So this one could be a good entry to go long, but very tiny, tiny fair value gap. So as you can see, that's why I don't like that. If you look at it on the 5 minute, maybe it looks a little bit better. Repricing this area, then go higher. Maybe. Tickets are not the same as ticks. One ticket is one entry on a position. Could be 50 contracts. And exits will also be considered tickets. You guys, ICT stop. I'm not with ICT stop too much anymore, by the way. I like what he's teaching, but I'm pretty much trying to implement as much as I can from other stuffs, other methods as well. And what can I say? The things that I learned from ICT helped me. So I don't care if his name is ICT or Bud Spencer or Terence Hill or whatever his name is. I'm happy that I could have implemented his strategy, or sorry, his concepts. Plus, you don't take advantage of replay mode. Replay mode is bullshit. I'm sorry if I'm speaking French here, but I think replay mode is a garbage. You don't really learn anything special with replay mode because it's not the real market. It's good for collecting information, that's for sure. but it's not going to give you that kind of, I mean, if you're good in replay mode, that is 100% different than forward testing, even with the demo account on real market conditions. Replay mode is, it's good, you know, for practicing stuff like that, the entries, practice the entry model, but replay mode is like walking on a cloud, you know. It's it has absolutely no stake in it. So I would say forward testing is the better way, and forward testing with an evaluation or challenge account, with a cheap one, just to feel the pressure. That is something to go with. That is something. Replay mode is good for practicing the model, entering the model, but if you have on replay mode, for example, you have 1 month of, for example, a very good profit, and you save it and you said, okay, I made 25% profit in 1 month in replay mode, that has nothing to do with reality. You could practice your entry model, that's true, but that's all. The decision that has to be made on that very second with the live market data, that is something you should go with, I think. Tomato, just do your thing. Yeah, I'm just doing my thing. Absolutely. I mean, nothing special. I mean, this trade, it was absolutely based on my entry model. I liked it. This was almost an A+ entry, not a supersonic A+ entry, but a nice entry. I did that. Now I'm just waiting. So if I would see a strong displacement again, I would be targeting the next level. I'm just doing my stuff here, so nothing special. Nothing special. Only if I sit and fast forward price in real life. Replay mode is not bullshit if you just sit and watch. I don't use it anymore because cannot use it with HA candles, so I gave it up. Oh yeah. No, it's rewatching the tape, bro, from your day. I mean, watching the tape is good, as again, you can do a very good analysis, and tape reading. For example, tape reading is good, but tape reading, practicing your entry model. Oh, thank you for the subscription, Zbach the Midget. Thank you so much. Let me give you a proper applause here. Thanks for subscribing. So, tape reading and backtesting on replay mode is the same thing. You know, you collect data. That's good. That's very good, because collecting data is a must. You practice your entry model, which is also a good thing. But all that is a completely separate thing than sitting on the live market data real time and making the decision without any option to pause the screen. There's no pausing. You cannot pause the chart. You know, you have to make the decision at that moment. You have to make the decision of the risk. You have to think about so many factors that are changing. While you are in replay mode, you can just pause it if you want to. That's, you know, replay mode, even if for tape reading or entry model testing, is good, separate. But forward testing on even if it's just a demo account, it's completely different. You're going to have completely different results. But I did the same. I was tape reading. I was using the replay mode many times. I was collecting information and data. Yes. But if you have a very good month on your replay mode, that doesn't mean anything, because in real life, you're not going to be able to scroll through some candles, like, let's click through a few candles, let's see where it goes. No, you have to sit for 3 hours in a trade, and your brain is going to mess up. Everything is going to go totally bullshit in your head, and you're going to make totally different decisions. While if you are on replay mode, you can skip the candles. Let's skip them. Skip, and oh, here you go. The trade panned out. But if you're sitting there for 3 hours, You're not gonna think the same. I promise you that. And I speak from experience. But yeah. Nascalp is annoying. Backtesting is hyperbolic time chamber of traders, yeah. Do us a favor, just ban me, bro. I try to put people on useless data. I'm not banning people. I mean, I don't want to ban you. Why should I ban you? I'm not. I'm actually. I like to talk with everyone. I'm not disturbed. I'm just waiting for my entry here. So there's nothing extra. I'm too excited and distracted about my edge. If you like your edge, I think you should. Yeah. We're on time. That is why our faces shine. Yeah, Nascal. Here to support. Thank you so much. Zabok, thank you. Gerwo, we here, man. Great. Thank you, guys. Love you all. Please push the like. Check out the giveaway. It's going to happen after today's PM session, New Year PM session. You can still subscribe to the giveaway. Just watch the video. On the video, there's a form below. You just have to create a free account at My Funded Futures. Use my link and fill out your email and name. And you're gonna, if you win, My Funded Future is going to send you a code to activate the 5K account, 50K account, sorry. And the winner is going to be announced on Twitter or, sorry, X, or tomorrow on the London stream. So don't miss it. And we have very good discounts today. Apex is down 80%. So everything is good. Everything is good. I'm not talking about emotions though. That is mastered. Yeah. I'm talking about perfecting that edge and stop through backtesting visually with or without replay mode or even. I understand, Nescalp God. Animals World, please help me. How could I help you? Animals World. Who is this Nescalp guy? He's helping out with some information, strategy-wise. He's trading differently than I am, and obviously, I mean, of course, he's excited about it, and I'm always open up to hear ideas, and yeah. Let me see. Shock of the hour. It's a friend of Trump with the syndrome of helping people out. No, it's okay. ES should be taking out all-time high. It's very close, 8 handles. So if ES wants to go, then I think NQ should be. Look at this high, by the way, here. Just check out this high on the 5 minutes. Sorry, let me show you. Right here. Buy side liquidity. Right there. Buy side liquidity, which is at 41.50. 41.50. Buy side liquidity at 41.50. There you go. Very close. That's a swing high, by the way. So I'm definitely looking for some bullish move, but this is still chopping around. No clean displacement to the upside. So I don't really like how this goes. But yeah. Nice trade. Thank you, Methodical Man. This was actually a beautiful trade. I'm really proud of this one. This was a beautiful risk reward 2. Everything played out perfectly. The risk management was perfect on this one. The targets were clean. Order block. We have another order block up there, by the way, on the 1 hour, still hanging. So I think we're still bullish. We should be going for 441, but this trade, this was beautiful. This was almost an A+ trade for me. Almost. Not that perfect, but almost an A+ trade, because I don't really take trades on the 3 minute, but it was also looking good on the 1 minute. And this was really good. I needed this trade. After yesterday, I needed that. I needed that. So the My Funded Futures account, just gonna show you guys. Where is it? This is the account from yesterday that survived. It's still up almost 52,000. I'm gonna buy more accounts with Apex and BULENOX. So I'm definitely going to buy more accounts. And not even gonna lie, I don't want to waste another month to have one more possibly funded account on a 50k level. I think I'm gonna YOLO, because I know what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna YOLO about 3 to 5 accounts. Hopefully I will get one at least, or maybe 2. But you know, I did some calculations and I want to redo those accounts on a fast track level. Well, let's see. I ended up on 3 evals, but red on Express Funded. I hate that TOPSTEP X. What the hell? What the hell? PPI is the way to go. Yeah, there should be some nice liquidity there. There should be. You will make it back, Methodical Man. I think, by the way, and this is like, I'm talking real serious about this. I think as long as I'm watching your streams, and as long as you're helping me, and I'm really watching your streams like almost every day. I'm lurking in the background, and this is real serious. And honestly, from my end, I think you're getting better and better. I mean, week to week, what you're doing there, I think it's getting better, because you're not sitting in the trades that much as I do, because as you can see, I used to sit in one trade for hours. But when you enter, so I think you're very disciplined, and I think you really know what you're doing. And I think I don't know how much or how you were doing last year, because I didn't know you back then. But as far as I can tell, there is a lot of discipline in your trades, and you really focus on your best setups. That's what I see from my end, and I think you're doing great. You should be okay with the yeah, I think you're doing. So you told on stream that you were blowing also a lot of evaluation accounts. I think with this thing that you do, or how you trade this method, it's not even a question that you're gonna have some very good payouts soon. You have a lot of discipline. I see that. Sometimes I'm even surprised why I'm not able to do that. I don't have the nerves sometimes to be that disciplined as you are. So yeah. Can you tell me put a trade, sir? I would wait for now. Animals rolled. Tom, HA candles edge on M1 is easy as trading, entering the micros on that time as a first big flat top or flat bottom candles and taking it into profit when you see exhaustion. Yeah. Throw on the HA candles one more time on the M1 and look at the candles with flat bottoms and flat tops. Let's take a look. Just a second. All right, your green $1, that is good. You know, $1 is good. $1 is good. He doesn't break his rules. Yeah, that's the big difference. Methodical Man is not breaking his rules. Let's go sit in a corner for a while. Plus, his edge has proven to be profitable. Yeah, his edge. Yeah, sorry. Yeah. My edge is proven to be profitable, by the way. I know that's new information, but my edge is profitable. So I know that my edge is profitable. I am 100% sure. I have data, I have proof that my edge is profitable. So that's why I'm so certain of it. Anyway, I can join the stream. Hey, I mean, we can find the day, you know, you can show. I mean, I would be watching you for a whole New York session or London session because you said you can make 1K. Out of curiosity, really with the best interest and best of heart, I would be watching you take trades, and would be curious about that high win ratio, because that would be great. But you know, it's simple. If you just put on a stream on Discord or YouTube, we can all join and watch you. You don't even have to put a camera on. You just shared your screen, and we can follow your trades. You know, that's really simple. Basically, anyone can do that. So if you share a link with the stream, I would be happily look at it. You're long? For me, it's a little bit early to go long here, but buy side liquidity is resting at 41, I think, for now. Morris, they sometimes require identity verification and will freeze the account until it's submitted. Wow. Have you received? Oh, yeah, I didn't know that from Apex, actually. But I do have, actually, I have my account verified. So that's a very good point there, because, oh, thank you so much for the sub, Karen. Karen McMichael, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let me give you an applause. Or I'm just saying that I have an edge. I'm not saying that having an edge. Tom, you go to church yesterday. Or if you're asking me, I'm not saying that I'm profitable. I just know that I have a profitable edge. That's two different things. If you're asking me, just respectfully saying. So I know that my edge is good, but being profitable is a different question. That's all I say, if that's what you're referring. Or I can show you, for example, my funded futures. Where's my funded futures stats page? Should be here. My funded futures. Stats. Somehow yesterday's trades were not updated today, so that's interesting. But you know, for example, this is the account. 61% profitable, profit vector. The average loss is not so good. Average win is not so good. Number of trades. Average duration. Overall, I would say from last month, where is it? In February, I started this account. I had 2 negative days with micros, and so far everything is okay. Yesterday there was, I think this was a negative day, and yesterday was a negative day. It's not updated today yet, so I don't know why, but overall I'm okay. So why is my buy side so far? It's not that far actually. I'm just looking at the 5-minute swing high here as a buy side. That is the other one is a 1-hour order block, so it's not that far. Actually, it's only less than 20 points away. I'm looking at the 5-minute swing here as a buy side. And there is 1-hour order block here, bearish order block, and another 1-hour bearish order block. And I'm also looking that ES might go and make a new historical high. It's only 7 handles away. So if ES wants to do that, I think NQ should be popping higher to the 41 area. And so if any one of you guys are long, and if you have a proper risk to reward or managing risk, you could be holding this until 41. I'm not in the trade yet. I have a bad edge. I tried to open, yeah, NQ percent and wiped out one of my valuations straight in a second. Oh, luckily I did not try my 2P accounts. Well, that's good. Oh, 72k. Nice, nice, nice. NQ. Yesterday was your worst day. What happened, R? What happened there? Man, yesterday was my worst day too. So let me know. Talk it out of your system. What happened yesterday? What happened yesterday? My wife is cooking breakfast again. You know, that's good. Run. Run. Is that some kind of a sign, indication that something could happen? Okay, let me put this right here. Expanding that order block. Right now the plan is to go for that buy side. By the way, guys, if you want to join in for a New York stream, I'll be back as well in New York, just saying. And yeah, fill out the form for a giveaway. Check the video and the pinned message. The winner is going to be announced after the New York PM session. I might not be streaming, but I'm going to tweet it out to my Twitter, and also going to call the winner out on the live stream, call his or her name out in the live stream tomorrow, just to make sure, you know, everybody knows that there was a winner. And there's going to be another giveaway next week as well. It's going to be at TOPSTEP, I think. So if you're not registered at TOPSTEP, use my link and you get a 20% discount anyway. Link is somewhere in the description. Just go for it. Your first account is going to have a 20% discount. So there's going to be another giveaway next week, right? So go for it, guys. Go for it. TOPSTEP giveaway, and I'm gonna do another video or something about that. It's most likely going to be a TOPSTEP giveaway, but if you guys want Apex giveaway, let me know which prop firm would you like to have a giveaway with. I think TOPSTEP is also good. We're not really talking too much nowadays about TOPSTEP, but they're also great. But you know, actually you can choose whatever you want, because if we do it in a cash giveaway with PayPal, you can actually I'm gonna think about the details over the weekend. All right. Trading silver this morning, very smooth and bullish. Yeah, this price action was good, but look at this. It's consolidating since, yeah, since more than an hour. So and we're definitely going to do some BULENOX account giveaways this month. So at least 2 next week giveaway and BULENOX. So 2 more giveaways. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and get updated, because giveaways are coming. We're going to step into the giveaway world. Yes, it's still holding that 49 level. Somebody turned off the Nasdaq again, so they pulled the plug for now. I think what's the 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. It's gonna be 3 more hours until news. I'm not sure what's going to happen until then. At least 3 more hours. So yeah, somehow everything started to dump. Had a beautiful short from 500, okay, and got out quick. Should have kept the short side, but was good with and retry. I see. Bitcoin 74k. It go to 74k. Wow, look at that. It was, oh, it didn't yet, or did it? Almost. Well, technically yes. Technically, yeah. Go there. This Bitcoin is exactly at the point where I don't want to buy, but I'm not really into Bitcoin. There was some good altcoins recently that popped higher. Oh, Bitcoin futures. Actually, you can trade at Apex, I think. You can trade Bitcoin futures, as far as I can tell. Yeah. Okay, guys, it's pretty much chopping around. I think someone pulled the plug on Nasdaq. My bias is still bullish, should go to 41. That's what I say. We should be going to 441. That's what I think. Yeah, similar profile as yesterday, but I think 441 is a target. But what can I say? Thank you guys for being here. Please subscribe, check out the discounts. I'm gonna be back in New York session. Please join the stream. I used to be so lonely in New York stream because it's so much saturated. Everybody is streaming and I'm so alone in New York, so I'm begging you. But really, I'm gonna be back. No trades until then. We had a beautiful one, and see you guys then. And thank you for joining. This was a great session, and you know, going forward, moving forward. And Nescalp God, I respect you, brother, and thank you for all the information. You know, we're talking differently, but I understand you and I like you. So thank you, man. Anyway, thank you everyone for being here, and I love you all. That's all I can tell. See you guys in the New York session. All right, Nescalp. See you guys.